Now children, today let's start with chapter number 7, layers in Flash. So in this chapter, I will tell you about what is layer in a Flash. So we can say many graphics and animation programs use layer. ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल होता है अगर हम किसी चीज़ को समझना. So in Flash, working in layers is very important. They make animation easier. They allow you to keep the elements of your animation separate. And what they do, they create scenes with the appearance of depth. Think of layer as sheet of transparent paper which is arranged in a stack, and each layer is separate thing. But we can say that when you have a stack of layer, each with a drawing on them, they can create entire scene. So if you want to erase something on the layer, you can do it without worrying about erasing anything on other layers. So we can say that, so you will also find it easier to animate multiple characters if you put on different layer, right? So what we can say, drawing on higher level will cover drawing on lower layers. So like this, you can draw, you can cover different layers. So the basic layer panel. What is the basic layer panel? In Flash, the layer platelet is located at the top left of the timeline. जो आपका timeline platelet है उससे top left पे है. And if the timeline platelet is not open, you can bring it up by going to your window menu and you will choose timeline. So you start with a single layer as shown in the image above. After you add more layer, you can choose which layer you want to work on. So the active layer will have a light blue background and inactive layer will have white. So let's study about the different layers tool for beginner. So click to add new layer. Later version of the Flash do not have A+ on the new layer. Click to delete layer. Click the black dot in this column which is next to the layer lock or unlock layer. Right, click on the black dot of this column next to the layer to hide or reveal. Click on the symbol at the top column और आप hide कर सकते हो to reveal all layer. Now add motion layer. अगर आप चाहते हो कि you want something to be in motion तो आप motion layer कर. Add layer folder. आप अपने layers को organize कर सकते हो. If you have lots of them, you will click and drag any layer into a folder. Now selecting a layer. अब आप चाहते हो select करने का हम दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. First is selecting the layer in the timeline. Next is selecting a state object of the layer. Pencil icon represent an active layer in the timeline. Right? Next is rename. अब हम rename करना चाहते हैं. How you will rename? So the layer which has to be renamed is chosen by click. आपको जिस भी layer को rename करना है आप उस पर click करो. आप उसको choose करो. Double click on the already existing name and type of new name. And name, say the name given is house. Right click on the layer name and choose a property from the context menu. A layer property dialog box appears. So type a new name into a text box. Click OK. You can rearrange layer by clicking on the layers and dragging. As we have discussed earlier, things in higher language will cover those in lower layer. Right? So the person is in front of the wall because the person layer is above the wall layer, the screen. So next is masking in Flash. What is masking? So the mask layer is used to let the Flash know which part of the layer you want to label. आप किस part को label करना चाहते हो show कर. Open a new file and change the background. आप new file को open करोगे, background को change करोगे to डाली using background option from property inspect. Right? Name a layer as oval mask. Click frame Spotify. Right click to the select the insert black frame. Add a new layer जिसका name होगा text. Click on the frame 1 of this layer. Choose the text tool. Choose Arial black font, size 40. Text color as blue and toggle style bold using property inspect. Write the text BE punctual. Now click on the first frame of the layer called oval mask and you will fill orange color. Use the selection tool. अगर आपको circle को select करना है तो आप selection tool का use करोगे. Change it to the symbol using F8. Type a name circle in a dialog box. And then you will click OK. किस पे click करोगे आप? OK. Align your circle to the left text and click on frame 45. You will press F6 and drag the circle symbol to the stick. Now ninth is right click somewhere between frame 1 and frame 45 of the oval mask. Create motion twin option. Right click on the layer text and choose mask option. And go to control text movie to view result of your text. Now rotation with masking effect. So go to file, new option to create new file, go to file import, import to state. Next is choose dimension 540 to 450 from property inspector, right? Click frame 60 and press F6 to change it to keyframe and rename this layer. आप इस layer को rename करेंगे as nature and look this layer. Now add a new layer जिसको हम star mask कहते हैं and then select the layer and draw a star. और आपको जो star है वो वहाँ पे as it is draw है. Now you will choose frame 1 on this layer and select, right? Frame 1 को आप select करेंगे and then select motion from twin. You will choose CW option. जो आप rotate करना चाहते हैं field को आप rotate भी कर सकते हैं. Right click somewhere between frame 1 and 16, select the marks option and then Control plus Enter will display. Now usage of onion scale tool. आप onion scale tool को हम use करते हैं to view a live ghost image. ठीक है? It makes easier for us to put the image to the next page. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now let's do the exercise. First is your tick the correct option. Now first is tick the correct option. The tool that can be used to view very light image of previous frame, that is onion scale. Right? Next is the key combination that can be used to group object is Control plus G. Key frames for converting an object to symbol. जब हम convert करते हैं object को symbol में तो वो क्या होता है आपका F8. It is possible to add new or hide both A and B. आप add भी कर सकते हो, hide भी कर सकते हो. Dash key is used to insert a key frame. आप कौन सी की का यूज करते हो? F8 का. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash are like sheets on one on top on another and hold on. Layers. That indicates an active layer in the timeline. Onion skin. An object is called dash of a symbol when it take out from the library. Instance. A dash can be used to view a light picture on the previous frame. Dash key is the shortcut key for inserting keyframe, that is F8. F8 हमारी shortcut key है. A dash layer is used to let flash known which part of the layer we would label to show. Mask layer. Write T for true and F for false statement. First is we can only activate one layer to other. It's true. We can only activate one layer at a time in Flash. It's true. F6 converts the object to timber. True. If a layer is locked, we can only add new object and not delete already object. True. Masking is to hide some parts of the layer. It's true. Next is option. Motion option can be found in property inspector. False. True. An animation cannot be replaced more than once. False. It can be replaced. Now answer the following question. What is layer and write the steps to add layer. Mention the steps. आप कैसे layer को rename कर सकते हो? Steps you have to tell one by one. How can we hide a layer? What is the use? What do you know about masking in Flash? How can you perform rotation with masking effect and what is the use of onion scale tool? आप object को light object को easily take सकते हो, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.